What's going on, everyone? Matthew here. Happy 4th of July, by the way. Today is going to be another required monthly test of the emergency alert system. This time, though, I'm going to be listening to it on not one, but two radio stations. As you can see right here, this is a list of all the available radio stations which you can tune into to listen to the emergency alert system test. As you can see right here, courtesy of massbroadcasters.org/EAS. The date and time of today's test is July 4th, 2017, and it'll take place between the hours of 10 a.m. to 12, 10 a.m. to 12, excuse me, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. or 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. And as you can see here by this other site, showing the list of available radio stations here, WBZ News Radio 1030 AM, or 98.5 The Sports Hub, Easy 99.1 here in Plymouth, and two stations that I've yet to test out to see if I can tune into to listen to the test are what was it? Mix 104.1 Boston's Best Variety, and 99.9 WQRC. So just in case those don't go off, I have my St. Jean CL 100 radio tuned into Easy 99.1 right here. And I'm also going to be using the CBS local app to tune into both the stations here. Mix 104.1 here. And you know what? Actually, I'm also going to be using my TuneIn radio app on my ZTE Citrine LTE SafeLink track phone here. It is already less than 5 minutes before 10. And in a few minutes to, well, maybe a little while, I don't know when the test is going to pop up, we're going to see if I'm going to be able to capture the test or not on both of these radio stations. And if not, then Easy 99.1 will probably play the EAS alert. So we're going to see what happens in a little while, or in a few minutes maybe, and see if things go well from there. So I'll be right back.
That can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. Is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
That right there was a test of the emergency alert system monthly on Mix 104.1. I'd still get to hear from like 99.9 WQRC, which is playing on my my cell phone there. So if it goes off, great. If not, then I'm not going to worry about it too much. Well, I think that's going to be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and let me know what your thoughts are about it in the comments below. One thing I forgot to mention is that To be sure, I I would notice that the EAS test would go off successfully. I used the television in my mom's room to view it and let me know if I did things right. Sorry if there's no EAS test that came from 99.9 WQRC. It was supposed to be scheduled anytime between from 12 a.m. to 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. or from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. So just thought I'd give you a little heads up. So that's got to be it. I'm gonna eat some lunch right here. PB sandwich with Doritos Heat Wave Chipotle and an apple there. Let's see. Then I'm gonna see for the 4th of July today if I'm gonna be doing anything to celebrate it, like go see some fireworks later tonight at around 9 or so. So that's pretty much it. So that's gotta be it. Take care of yourselves. Have a good day, and I'll see you all next time.